2020 has been a challenging year for small manufacturers across the country. We've seen firsthand the impact the coronavirus and shuttered factories have had on our global economy. But we've also seen hardworking machinists, fabricators, and technicians who have powered through these turbulent times to hold their own as the engines of the American economy. For the past decade, Thanksgiving weekend has been marked by Small Business Saturday, a recognition of the countless businesses that power our nation. We're starting our Small Business Saturday a bit early this year during Small Manufacturers Month. Our way of recognizing and thanking all of our manufacturing partners who have worked tirelessly to keep the spindles turning and machines printing to provide our customers with the parts they need during these critical times. Throughout November, be on the lookout all month long for special articles and content focused on tips and tricks to run your small business, as well as in-depth profiles on how members of our network have grown and developed their shops to punch well above their weight. Visit xom.co/small to learn more and join the celebration. So let me be the first to thank you for all of your hard work and invite you to join us for Small Manufacturers Month, powered by Xometry.